Yeah, Muli Bwanje Ndabwera, another Teddy Makadi song. How are you guys doing? Zinalanga di titi ntimankala kuno USA koma di machogera ku Botswana. Welcome back, man. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Okay, let's get to this song. Missing You by Teddy Makadi. Somebody suggested this. Zikomo Kombero for the suggestion. Let's get to it. Yo, these videos, man, they're she's living. Oh, she's gone.
Baby, want to see her speechless.
Hey.
I thought you'd always be here. Now you all are you will live it. When I think of you, Dimakuwa daily my boo. Kauna dizzy tunes, Dimapaniga daily for you. Cause I am missing you. Dagu pasantima one day. One day see and lonely. Oh baby,
I'm missing you. I gave you my heart and you left me lonely. Seems like I've listened to this song before. Have I reacted to this song before? That would be scary, because that means I am that forgetful. I am kind of forgetful, but not that forgetful. Have I listened to this song, or maybe I watched it on my own? Seems familiar. He was happy and she's gone. Follow that photo by. Let's hear her story.
This is a letter from my heart and a song from my soul, and I am singing it to you in the words that you know. Cause whatever you did to me is not depending sign. Namutima ndi makondwa meno mandikondela you. Cause whatever you did to me is mandipenge sign, baby. Namutima ndi makondwa meno mandikondela you.
I don't think I've said this before. I feel like Teddy Makadi has the best vocals. I was trying to think if I ever said that about somebody else. My lips are dry. It's cold here. It's freezing actually. Yeah, man. The vocals make this, they carry this beats, you know what I mean? The beats are also like a love song, kind of a vibe on a summer day, early morning. I don't know. And the place is beautiful. Look at that. Like, look at that. This is one of the places that I want to be. You know what I mean? Like,
oh baby, I am missing you. One day see and lonely. Oh baby, already missing my baby. Already missing my baby. Already missing my baby.
wow, you have like beautiful stuff, man. With love, Teddy Makadi. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Zikomo Kombero for the suggestion. Because we have other songs lined up, I am just gonna say that was one of the best. The video as well, I feel like he went all out on this one. The videos, I mean, on this whole album, because the videos are like crazy. Like, how does one do top quality videos like that, and he's doing like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them. That's like, where do you get all this money? You know, like, these things are not cheap, I know, but like, that's beautiful. Did I say that's beautiful?